Okay, hello everyone. This is our lesson for today for General Mathematics, Quarter 1, Module 2, Evaluating Functions. And our objective is to evaluate functions. Okay, so dito sa video na to, magbibigay po ako ng mga examples on how to evaluate functions. So, now let's start. Okay, bago tayo magpatuloy, recall muna natin on how to evaluate algebraic expressions. Okay, so we have some exercises. Given the following expressions, find its value if x is equal to 2. Okay, number 1, x minus 7. Number 2, 5x plus 8. Number 3, x squared plus 3x minus 12. Number 4, 2x squared minus 4x plus 24. And number 5, 5x squared minus 9. Okay, so eto na po yung sagot. If x is equal to 2. Okay, number 1, x minus 7. So, ang gagawin po natin is i-replace natin yung x by 2. Or papalitan natin yung value ng x which is 2. Then, now we have 2 minus 7. 2 minus 7 equals negative 5. Okay. So, next. Number 2. 5x plus 8. Again, we're going to change x by 2 or replace x by 2. So, we have now 5 times 2 plus 8. Okay, so 5 times 2 equals 10 plus 8. And the answer is 18. So, that is the value of the given expression. Okay, now let's have number 3. X squared plus 3x minus 12. Okay, so we replace x by 2. So, lahat ng x, which is the variable x, papalitan natin ng 2. Okay? We have 2 squared plus 3 times 2 minus 12. And then, we simplify. 2 squared is equal to 4. 3 times 2 is 6 minus 12. Okay, and then 4 plus 6 is 10 minus 12. Okay, 10 minus 12 is equal to negative 2. Okay, next, let's have number 4. 2x squared minus 4x plus 24. Again, same step, replace x by 2. Okay, then now we have 2 times 2 squared minus 4 times 2 plus 24. And then we simplify. 2 squared is equal to 4. So that's why we have 2 times 4. Minus 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 24. Okay, then 2 times 4 is 8. Minus 8 plus 24. And the answer is 24. 8 minus 8 is 0. Then now we have 24. Okay, the value of the expression is 24. Okay, next, number 5. 5x squared minus 9. Again, we replace x by 2. So that's why we have 5 times 2 squared minus 9. And then, 2 squared is equal to 4. So now we have 5 times 4 minus 9. 5 times 4 is 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9 equals 11. Okay, and that is the value of the given expression. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay, so ngayon naman tuturo ko sa inyo on how to evaluate functions. Magbibigay ako ng mga examples on how to evaluate. Okay, number 1. Given f of x equals 3x minus 5, find the value of the function if x is equal to 4. Okay, and this is the solution. We have f of x equals 3x minus 5, and then we substitute 4 for x in the function. Okay, so substitute 4, so we have now f of 4. And then 3, replace x by 4, so we have 3 times 4 minus 5. Then, we simplify. We have f of 4 equals 3 times 4 is 12 minus 5. Then, f of 4 equals 12 minus 5 equals 7. Therefore, f of x equals 3x minus 5. If x is equal to 4, the answer is 7. We have f of 4 equals 7. Okay, next let's have number 2. Given g of x equals 3x squared plus 9, find g of negative 5. Okay, and this is the solution. We have g of x equals 3x squared plus 9. And then, we substitute negative 5 for x in the function. Okay, papalitan natin yung mga x ng negative 5. So, now we have g of negative 5 equals 3 times negative 5 squared plus 9. Then, we simplify. G of negative 5 equals 3. Negative 5 square is 25. Negative 5 means, negative 5 square means we multiply negative 5 2 times. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Okay, so next simplify. G of negative 5 equals 3 times 25 is 75 plus 9 is equal to 84. Again, the value of g of x equals 3x squared plus 9. If g of negative 5 or x equals negative 5, the answer is 84. Next, number 3. Given f of x equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 5, find f of 0. Okay, f of 0. Again, the solution, we have f of x equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 5, and then we replace x by 0. Okay, f of 0. Then we have 3 times 0 squared plus 4 times 0 minus 5. Then simplify, we have f of 0, and then we have 3. 0 squared is 0, so that's why we have 3 times 0 plus 4 times 0 is 0. Then negative 5. Then next, we have 3 times 0 is 0, plus 0 minus 5. And then 0 plus 0 minus 5 is negative 5. Okay, so the function is f of 0 equals negative 5. Okay, example number 3. Given f of x equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 5, find f of negative 1. Okay, so this is the solution. We have f of x equals 3x squared plus 4x minus 5. Okay, papalitan natin yung x ng negative 1. So, f of negative 1 equals 3 times negative 1 squared plus 4 times negative 1 minus 5. And then, f of negative 1 equals negative 1 squared is positive 1. Again, we multiply negative 1 2 times. So, negative 1 times negative 1 is positive 1. So, that's why we have 3 times 1. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4 minus 5. Then, simplify. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, and then now negative 4 plus negative 5 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus 3 is negative 6. Okay, so again, the value of the given function is negative 6. Okay, next, number 4 example. Given f of x equals 4x plus 1, find f of a plus 1. Okay, and this is the solution. We replace x by a plus 1. So, therefore, we have f of a plus 1 equals 4 times a plus 1 plus 1. Okay, and then, we distribute 4a, 4 times a. So, that's why we have 4a. And 4 times 1 equals 4. Okay, plus 1. So, now we have 4a plus 4 plus 1. Okay, then f of a plus 1 equals 4a plus 4 plus 1 is 5. Okay, so the value of the given function f of a plus 1 equals 4a plus 5. Example number 5. Given g of x equals square root of 5x minus 4, find g of 8. Okay, again, the solution is we have g of x equals the square root of 5x minus 4. So, papalitan natin yung x ng 8. So, that's why we have g of 8 equals 5 times 8 minus 4. Then, g of 8 equals 5 times 8 is equal to 40 minus 4. Then, g of 8 equals 40 minus 4 is 36. Square root of 36 is 6. Or the value of g of 8 is 6. Okay, next, let's have number 6. Given h of x equals 6x plus 9 all over 3x minus 6, find the value of the function if x is equal to negative 3. And now this is the solution. We have h of x equals 6x plus 9 over 3x minus 6. Again, we change x by negative 3. Therefore, we have h of negative 3. 6 times negative 3 plus 9 all over 3 times negative 3 minus 6. Okay, simplify. Okay, let's continue. We have h of negative 3 equals 6 times negative 3 plus 9 all over 3 times negative 3 minus 6. Okay, so next we simplify. 6 times negative 3 is negative 18 plus 9. And then over 3 times negative 3, the answer is negative 9 minus 6. And then now we have h of negative 3 equals a negative 18 plus 9 is negative 9. Negative 9 plus negative 6, the answer is negative 15. Okay, and then we simplify. Negative divided by negative, the answer is positive. So we have positive 9 over 15. And then reduce to its lowest term. So the common factor of 9 and 15 is 3. Okay, then 9 divided by 3 is 3 and 15 divided by 3 equals 5. Therefore, the value is 3 over 5. And h of negative 3 equals 3 over 5. Okay, next we have number 7. Evaluate f of x equals 3 raised to x if x is 5 over 2. And we have the solution. We have f of x equals 3 raised to x. And then, papalitan natin yung value ng x which is 5 over 2. And then, 3 raised to 5 over 2. F of 5 over 2 equals square root of 3. Since ang exponent natin is fraction, ang denominator niya is magiging index. Okay, magkakaroon tayo ng radical sign. Okay, ang radical sign natin na square root, consider na ang index is 2. And then, yung numerator ng exponent natin is nasa loob ng radicand. Okay, then, f of 5 over 2 equals square root of 3 raised to 5. Then, f of 5 over 2 equals square root of 3 raised to 5. Okay, and then, 3 raised to 5 means you multiply 3 5s. So, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, and then f of 5 over 2 equals 243. And then we simplify. F of 5 over 2 equals To factor 243, the factor is 81 times 3. Okay? Pa-factor natin ang 243 ng may perfect square, which is 81. Okay, square root of 81, we have f of 5 over 2 equals 9. Okay, we factor out 9, and then now we have a square root of 3. And now that is the value of f of 5 over 2 equals 9 square root of 3. Okay, next, number 9 example. Evaluate the function f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 9 if x is equal to 5. Pag sinabi nating absolute value means it is always positive. So now we have f of x equals the absolute value of x minus 9. Okay, replace x by 5. So therefore, we have f of 5 equals the absolute value of 5 minus 9. Okay, then f of 5 equals the absolute value of 5 minus 9 is negative 4. The absolute value of negative 4 is positive 4. Therefore, the value of f of 5 equals positive 4. Okay, next, example number 9. Evaluate the function f of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 3 at f of 2x minus 5. Okay, and this is the solution. F of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 3. Okay, lahat ng x papalitan natin ng 2x minus 5. So now we have f of 2x minus 5. And then, the quantity of 2x minus 5 squared minus 4 times 2x minus 5 plus 3. Okay, sa lahat ng x, pinalitan natin ng value ng x, which is 2x minus 5. Okay, so first step is the square of 2x minus 5. Okay, we simplify. It means that you multiply 2x minus 5 2 times. Okay, 2x minus 5 times the quantity of 2x minus 5. And then, I'm going to use the distributive property. So, 2x times 2x is equal to 4x squared. 2x times negative 5 is negative 10x. Then, negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. And then, negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. Then, combine like terms. So, we combine 10x or negative 10x and negative 10x. So, 4x squared, negative 10x plus negative 10x, the answer is negative 20x plus 25. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, let's continue. F of 2x minus 5 equals the quantity of 2x minus 5 squared minus 4 times 2x minus 5 plus 3. Then, the square of 2x minus 5 is equivalent to 4x squared minus 20x plus 25. And then, distribute natin, negative 4 times 2x is negative 8x. The negative 4 times negative 5 is positive 20 plus 3. Then, we combine like terms. So, now we have f of 2x minus 5 equals 4x squared. And we combine negative 20x and negative 8x since pareho sila ng variable. Okay, same variable with the same exponent. So, negative 20x plus negative 8x, the answer is negative 28x. And we have 25, 20, and 3. So, we add 25 plus 20 plus 3 equals 48. Therefore, the answer is f of 2x minus 5 equals 4x squared minus 28x plus 48. Okay, so that is how to evaluate functions. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please visit my YouTube channel, Matish, and then click playlist.